Hi, this is Dhruti, author of The Resilient Entrepreneur, and welcome back to my series of videos where I share a little bit more about the book that I'm launching. In my previous videos, I've talked about what prompted me to write the book, the first 2 strategies out of the 6 core strategies that I share in the book. In this video, I'm going to talk about 2 more strategies that will help you build your resilience. So think about it. Are your perception and thinking conducive to success? Will it help you build your resilience? Who do you surround yourself with, the supporters or the fakers? How do you tune in to the good that is around you and tune out the distressing noise that surrounds us? The 2 core strategies that I talk about is about leveraging your positivity and creating a support system for yourself. Because here's the thing, and it's a little secret right there. Resilience is nothing but like having restrictions on a carry-on baggage when you're flying. You throw out what is not needed and you keep what is absolutely essential. And these strategies will help you build your resilience. So look out for the space for more details related to the launch. And in my next video, I'm going to share the last 2 core strategies that I cover in the book. So I look forward to seeing you there. Thank you.